It's the start of a new year, and if you're looking to take that baby step into improving your health, your immunity and your energy levels, but you don't want to overcomplicate health, you want it simple, you want it practical, you want it to be something that you understand, it takes very little time, but also brings about tangible shifts in your health, then listen on, because the 3-day cleanse is for you. What is cleanse? Cleanse is a 3 days of sacred time that you give yourself, wherein you cut out all the clutter and focus on flooding your system with nutrient-dense and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. That's it. So what this really does is that it gives your digestive system a breather, it gently detoxifies you, but most importantly, you get lots and lots of nutrients in their absorbable form, which start to heal and rebuild your system from within. Going forward, you get a bunch of innovative and creative ways in which you can include more and more fruits and vegetables into your daily diet after the program as well. Now, how do I support you through the program? What's the program format like? It's a group program, so we do it in a group, and of course it gets a lot easier when done in a group. You get WhatsApp support for 5 days in which you can interact with other participants, share your learnings. We also get on a Zoom call every day in which I answer all your questions, queries, as well as keep you inspired and motivated to complete the program. And most importantly, I'm going to be doing all the homework for you by providing you like a comprehensive recipe sheet along with ingredient list, so that you don't go running around while the program is on, and you're all prepared and set to go. So if you're looking to take your health in your own hands this year and you don't want to invest too much, then do check out the details below. Also check out the FAQ if this program is for you, and I look forward to seeing you.